Right, fantastic morning. Raso said ya good evening some metao. Yes. Bedroom ago Kensie. Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibu me producers. Kejo Nankasa ni Erica Siedu Bwedi. Na ya banesa no to say yes. Na you go so Kyle said Adom FM home makeover sponsored by NASCO. Third monthly draw a paso dendendia and yasam keto akra on the 2nd of August. Yes, that is Friday, that's Ochenechi. And a basso in easy cry to Nasco and a de sadro ye bank of 4D near Gumbotono and yasam ketwa cry. Na yebesha some nase, yebe shase de feed the Olympic Games. Na man for shase we need gold to Japan, Korea, Africa, Oba, South Africa, money and the Oma Jiji Kakadi, I said some one and the idea. But the young shase and fancy football. Near send a football mo and some CTA Mayman and Rakopima New Zealand, France bought a coming and someone to me anti USA, about Guinea by 3-0. Now Morocco, about Iraq 3-0. See Morocco next so Iraq. Now Ukraine, Argentina born 2-0. Now Spain, about Egypt by 2-1. Now Israel, Japan, about 1-2-0. Now Yakopima has sent games in the sequence. Tenone dear Mayman football na see aqua room. The next round of the competition by the Nemano so Zambia, Ejinakono, has a bit to me, but Japan and Nigeria and Nigeria first 2 games and Koyi Japan, the Nebeko, Brazil and Spain, big game or man Dinamo Zambia, and Germany and airport Zambia versus Germany. Zambia Nimo Kramon to me Germany dear well, you heard about Australia. And the USA, na Colombia, and the Canada, and so they are born away a man dia a basso the Olympic Games. Now, Yakopimo was swimming, now swimming Harry Stacy, now you need an so say enka yeah the memano 100-meter freestyle swimming over to me qualify for the next round of the competition, but I'm fat 51.12 seconds. And well, yeah, torso and soon in the heat and Yanko send a sequoia. Right, and so I know the copium, but you Stacy Kasakaka, Wajatum as a sending Yamasiko and the Amfa. But at the first Olympic Games, so the best there next time, but to me, and kind war game. And someone, I get Harry. And you two grant media chair send on some maybe see Harry Stacy on Ghana not tonight, for Sanya the how the other events beko aka high jump beko na fe no yako 4x100 and na ekopi mu hono manwana any that 4x100 ni any daso pa na nanka Olympic Games bia kwa at least your boxing there the athletes na boxers ko but this time around and to me and qualify and kwankopi mu ni say the Freezy McBones beko Freezy Fiamfa man yeah said na kokko ba bia kwa qualification because to do baby no train ho film say on to aso enko share qualification in kopim Olympic Games na say no nesa some no so see say ajam befa Rose anyere ne ho na ntimi nya bibi maga no so the first time our kopim Olympic Games na say nti ebe say na be si akọ ne ade if you ne kopim e won sem foforo mu enra kopim wo the new House of Folk Secretariat men kind of phobia house na ye nikasam keke tepa na contractors are on this adwuma de nima on the keys now a share to be afedensa and have to for company for and na very colorful no ma bia no second bia so no munso munyimu kie na de mbe adan bia munyanity as of for peda foforo no ma shede bia no shede ten ra de na the key na show monsa afi no mbe bia no na activities ashase e wo adan me yenko correct phobia house.
This is a demonstration of our commitment to building a solid infrastructure base for Accra and Suffolk. Sooner than later, we'll be commissioning this place, and soon after, we'll be commissioning the Pubman Academy as well. The two together, solid demonstration of our commitment to building a preeminent club in Africa. Of course, we have secretariat that the secretariat that will continue to function. What we have today will remain our commercial center. Again, a demonstration of our commitment to ensuring that we exploit as much as possible the commercial value of the brand. That
right, and so I don't know some to be affair what you to a dry yes on the House of Folk Penny Pa. Now to Mr. Dana dear fa ya kwere me be mo akomu ayi be wurugure ma mo hulungulungulu ni ade ati na o kire mo se we de afi na o ma hyase kra enche o mo hwese pobi ma no be wie be du ba be o be match so pobi man plans ho be so mo build an ultra modern stadium ni ade nzo papa na plans pa de ma so fo akasa results no e be reflect your park ne so. If you're a League champions, summer text, I'm going to see Ghana name the CAF Champions League money CAF to me approve it. So summer text beat me up on the games or the Accra Sports Stadium. Initially, na come Bono Kumase, but the name must shifted the Accra CAF Ajiatum. Emunche money.
Yeah, they are a good side. Fortunately for both of us, we are all. This is our first debut. We are all debutants, so we are going to rub shoulders with each other and then watching their games. They are a good side. They try to possess and play from the back. And so, gone are those days when we used to know Cameroon players. They were very physical, but now they are playing good football. And so, I mean, we have started to at least adopt some strategies going forward. We still have about, let's say, 3 weeks. And so I think that we should be able to manage them. Yeah, they are a good side. Fortunately for both of us, we are all, this is our first debut. We are all debutants, so we are going to...
Right, and so I don't know someone, Coach Ahmed Nuruddin, or no, now a coach at the Masama Test. Some game against Victoria United, pass on the 16th away. That is Cameroon. We are now Bafi on the 25th. Normally, I bet people saw the Accra Sports Stadium. Not sure say Stadium Kakra and whom Kakra near the Echo so Summer Test for catch down there. Songo stick to Tom Kamapa, Yanko Pimo, the man, countryman Songo, I hope Mr. Patrick Osajiman, and the minimum say a fireman's villa. Na Songo's Villa, na Songo Village, na Songo's Cottage. Fireman, how ye Songo's Cottage and na Songo's Villa?
Ambush Villa.
Ambush Villa.
Yeah. That's the fireman. Yeah.
Okay. If you are not paying me chair or dogs, no. Was I old dear mamma, I am there.
Me body, me yeah, ambush villa na waba. Ambush. Oh.
Right. And I'll pay you there fine.
But just what who know?
Yeah. Wow.
Ambush, no.
Just who said you're live? I can ambush na na so no so then who be.
Me boy ambush, me body go. Me body you know. Go. Oh, hey, go. Me body you know.
Okay, say old friend.
Oh my.
Wow.
Etiwelo, me ai interesting. Me too pass o come home.
Hey.
You ko over me ye ni oba ho. Yeah.
What the name Bobby Pong?
Ko over me ye no.
Bobby Pong
come home.
Hey.
Se me nya free akra dia o come home. O ka ni mo den.
Eti o chia.
No te kasa de.
To o chia obedwa ma odi wachi na ma o chia na.
Oh, dia me na me ka I want to do
Matias.
Okay. Yanko. Stop. Come on. I'll beat you. More fire.
Okay.
I no pay. Me first a yin nam person me can be ansana my back your football.
Yeah.
Local league in the Songo State. If I your athlete yeah. Me of course see me or try to beat me about no more.
Harry Stacy.
Yes, me hope Peter or bet to us sooner be at my content. Why athlete no. Your talent no by why athlete no. That's the problem here. Nanki Yabaye all African games. Sikata kraka with millions of dollars. Ye the baby now ye about 9 athletes and they go Olympics. Ye Otina Bekana say ye nya sportsmen and women omujino manaswa omanya enough training na omatumi qualified for the Olympics. Ghana Eco Olympics near there 9 athletes na eco how. So tina ya chawa system nimu na now can boxing and ye nya bi amfa box ya amfa box e bi anko ye nya bi. Otina American talent ni guo ye be promote wo mo ye be mo scholarship yɛbɛboa wo mu no mu ako wo manim no yɛnyɛ ne saa freeze ya okika na asɛm ya ko ni nam landing onye ready saa wote ase bodo bi fi abutiri ba no mama na ba ba chi obi adwene na afi ye man ne chance won ko qualify and went me qualify but nan ko for egubu kom wo boxers who Ghana ha I mean you pay attention to them they are far better than freeze so eti ye ekro na say ye nia emfata instead say o sent ye mi hia na ma ye sportsmen and women developing talent ni pie no I mean ye nhweso o that ye need sports minister bi okuta blueprint book papa bia a bit me developing the grassroots talent no ama ye sports no ma nyina timi akonka no mu di man football blasters to kwa no marry blasters kwa no marry no mu di man football the taxpayers money o mo be chase dinti be outside no ma di o musika e hwe wo mo ho o just say despite say 1 or 2 billion scholarship that in the future no say no mo to aso hwe
tell say wo hemfa
yes sportsmen and women ya athletes
say wo hemfa
o mo ye great e the medals ne ba enti you see moving forward you yenya sports ministry ni minister wote agoro na say minister and the policy ni green book and the blue book na wo dey ba no e betimi aboa eye grassroots talent eye pie am ye sports etimi ade akon na di mama medals etimi aba yeah actually world champions we need a sports minister papa enye just errand boy bia keke na mafa ne say we sports minister and then am say mo to aba no ma to aba pa en to aba fun bia okuro very professional more fire now Olympics ya na akofa boy ya butemaba GFA Ket Monte ase say GFA Ghana Football Association Ket edi animu Randy Abe mu nyina aka ho oduru safo mu nyina wo ho bi omu nim ball mu but omu ye ball no resource ma ye won kofo ayi nim mu so omu nim ball mu omu na ye ball no but resource ma she Paris Olympic Games ya okika football scores Ghana way enka wo utase national teams no me pese GFA for the TSS the only caretakers be a new media I did taxpayers money o mine sika ni ye de o mine sika ene the national teams so easy ba o majuma any wo mujuma di o mudi o football mu any wo majapade pa ye domestic football Ghana Premier League eno na measure wo mu akere say head no teso as every president a wo mu court male e poto no so aba on post ye no ni juma di a wo di ama Ghana football ni e ba mi yehu akura wo panyini wo ba mi yehu say oye football ye pa ne say Ghana Premier League no what developing what the headline sponsor sika kesi aba bi shebu na etimi aseki Ghana Premier League na e wo form Ghana Premier League na say supporters Ghana for nko hwe omunko park no Ghana Premier League na teams no e qualify ko Africa omuntimi mo modern NG Cup ni bi o Confederation Cup ni Champions
na me dana say
yes ka title sponsor headline sponsor our this car Baby Ghana League nim yemfa date master 6 September ye best league ase abra yemfa sika ye di betudwa e di ama teams no e di pia wo mo amomu ho agina wo mo so abo league mu odin de apega Ghana League no says no headline sponsor title sponsor sika no omu fan to be my also mu ko pebi ba ye mo league where sa keke league where sa you need something to say e be pega Ghana League ye ya na efe international wise you players need develop teams need you know now so the various national teams ye nya players ko ho a eno na wo betimi ama resource ajaje head ne nko for GF for say oh omo ye football ni ye because omo japade e Ghana League omo ye Ghana League ye omo timi ye Ghana domestic football ye a eno ne be hu say get mu ye football ye obi ntan almost any football resource ma football no more ye no resource ma national teams no enye omu de ye taxpayers money de ye ento omu fa omu nim de no ene omu links no enye local league ni ye empe title sponsor headline sponsors takase ye emfama local league no omu say
sure
this September ye best last year no 1 p.m. yen twaso
sharp
na yeah 1 p.m. sharp fire for fire as usual but a year so there e den yamia say emre no edua ni sa aye nyina eboabo e ho ni abetimi akoja okwan e kwan bia so na maka no me de ambush beba enti bibia be fine any dompa
ever hear when man Mr. Patrick Osajman countryman songo stick na what they play live we can see so na no play begina so na yes Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibotwe yeah me producers and Madame Joyce Frimpong a birthday Joyce Frimpong and your birthday happy birthday going out to you nyame sha no ton kwana we fi Bernard Padibotwe no se mfama Madame Joyce Frimpong nyame sha pa ban osi akai se ode nankasa beka kejuwa ne ho Erica Siedu Bwadi ni na yadi si na fiema kwatama klo ana dia pomode won sama etoaso na dia akaso aba koso ahebedwam